there! Welcome back to Apple Seeds. I've been reading all morning and I'm starving. Let's go see what we have in the garden. Ooh, our peppers are looking good. Peppers are full of vitamin C, which helps heal cuts and scrapes. And that'll be really good for my paper cut that I got this morning, turning the pages in my book. All right, let's get picking. Did you know that all peppers start off green? They can turn different colors as they grow. Whew. Okay, these look really good, and I think that they would go great in our mini frittatas. Let's go see if we have what we need. Really, the only thing you need to make a frittata is eggs. Frittata is basically just a fancy culinary term for baked eggs. Let's see what else we got. Okay, here we go. Got some milk, cheese, and leftover spinach. All right, let's get cracking. If you get a little bit of shell in the bowl like I just did, a good trick is to use the rest of the shell to fish it out because the shell is attracted to itself. Make sure you preheat your oven to 375 before you start. And be sure to wash your hands after you've cracked the eggs. All right, now we're gonna add a half a cup of milk. You can use non-dairy or water, and a generous pinch of salt and pepper, and then we're gonna whisk it all together until it's nice and fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. I really like to make a big batch of these at the weekend and then put them in the fridge and eat them for breakfast all through the week. They're a really good way to start your day because they're full of protein, which helps you build big muscles and keeps you full throughout the day. It takes a lot of muscle to whisk these eggs. All right, these eggs are looking nice and fluffy, so we can start pouring them into our pre-greased muffin tin. We're using a bowl with a spout, but if you don't have one, you can use a liquid measuring cup or just spoon it in. So let's get pouring. Now I only want to fill these up about halfway because they're gonna rise as they cook. All right, let's add our bell pepper and a little bit of spinach, our leftover spinach, and you want to distribute these kind of evenly, and then I'm going to put a little pinch of cheese on top for some extra flavor. We already have our veggies chopped, but when you make this at home, remember to use your claw and keep your fingers safe. Now let's put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The way to check if these are done is to stick a butter knife into the middle of one of the muffins in the middle. And if the butter knife comes out clean, it means they're done. But if the knife still has egg on it, it means that they need another few minutes. Whew, I'm starving. These look so good. Let's give them a try. Like a mini omelet. Those are so good. I would even say they're excellent. So when you're making these, you can add in any vegetable you want. So we did peppers and spinach, but you could do zucchini, you could do mushrooms, onions, potatoes, anything you want. They're totally customizable. Thanks for watching. See you next time.